Hello everybody, welcome back to Work Right Planner. My name is Erica. I am so glad that you could join me today. I am so sorry that my cup of cocoa is in your way. I don't really have anywhere else to set it at the moment. But welcome back. I'm glad to have you with me today. We are going to stuff cash. My cash stuffings are a little bit disappointing compared to a lot of others because I'm very low income, so I don't have a whole lot of cash to stuff. But the important thing is that we're still doing it, and it actually is curbing some spending because I still have cash in my envelopes. So let's look at those. I have already done the transactions to reduce the ledger. So today is August 17th. I actually got paid on the 13th, but I hadn't had a chance to record the video yet. So transactions up through yesterday left me $33 in this envelope, and I have 20, 30, 1, 2, 3. So perfect. Eating out was a huge spot where I was spending a lot of money. So I'm actually very proud that that's still in there. Okay, so the Erica envelope, again, saving for a haircut that I would love to go get, $40, and I have $40. The gas envelope should have $2.10, and I know y'all are probably laughing at me, but I always pull this 50 out because y'all, counting on odd numbers is so much harder than counting on evens. I'm just saying. 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 30, 30. Lord, see, I can't even count this. Told you the odd one slipped me up. 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 50, 60, and 210. I have a splitting headache this morning, so y'all beware my math. Groceries, I have $57 in here. I did have to stop and spend some of it, but I think we've decided we're not going to keep a full $100 in here because most of our grocery shopping happens online. I love the pickup. 20, 40, 50, 5, 6, 7. So we've been at this now for almost 2 weeks, and I've not even spent $50. So I think $50 is going to be what we try to keep in here from now on, and just keep the rest in the account. And that way we have it when we need it. And then, of course, the joint miscellaneous has nothing. It's empty. So this week, we do have some money going into the cash envelopes, but not a whole lot. It's $44 total. So we have 20, 30, 540, and 1, 2, 3, 4. We have $44 going into our envelopes. So for eating out, we've got 10, 15, 16 to go in the envelope. Now, if you all would like to see this process from start to finish, leave me a comment below and let me know. I thought about going ahead and doing it where I film how I figure out what I'm going to pick up, take it to the bank, that kind of thing. But I don't want to make it boring for you guys. So you just let me know what you'd like to see, and that's what we'll go with. Hopefully, by the next cash envelope stuffing, I will have my trackers for these put together. Okay. So we should have 20, 30, 40, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 49. I like the look of that envelope, y'all. it helps that I haven't been stopping. Okay, so we got that one out of the way. Gas is going to be 8, so I'll skip over Erica. I'm not getting any money this time. Gas is going to be 8, so I have 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Plus 8. So I should have 218. All of this will go in the front. We're going to take that 50 out. 20, 40, 60, 80. 1, 20, 40, 50, 60. 5, 6, 7, 8. So 168 plus 50 is 218. So gas is correct. And like I said, we're not going to put any money in groceries because I think $50 is sufficient, and it's got 57. So we're just going to call that a day. And now we have the joint miscellaneous, which has had nothing up to this point. So 817, finally getting a deposit. $20 in case we need anything. And we have our loan 20. I know a lot of times people break these into smaller bills, but I want the largest bills possible in here because it helps to discourage me from breaking them. I will think twice about breaking a 20. I won't think twice about 5s or 10s. So it works for me. You've got to do what works for you. So there it is. That's the cash for this week. And I will see you all later. Thank you so much for joining me. And if you like this kind of content, be sure to subscribe and, hit the like button to let me know. I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.